In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Notion's peak page previews, one of the most underrated features that can make your workflow a lot smoother. Peak previews let you open a page without fully switching to it. It's like quickly glancing at information, grabbing what you need, and getting right back to what you were working on. If you often jump between multiple pages, this feature will save you a ton of time. To use a peak page preview, start by hovering over any page or subpage inside a database or on your sidebar. You'll see a small preview window pop up automatically. This gives you a quick snapshot of what's inside the page, things like text, tasks, or properties, without fully loading the entire page. This is useful when you're scanning through several pages and just want to check what each one contains. Another way to open a peek preview is by holding Shift and clicking on a page. Instead of taking over your whole screen, Notion will open a compact overlay window. Inside this peek window, you can scroll, edit text, check off tasks, or even open toggles. It works almost like the full page, but in a smaller frame, so you don't lose your place in your main workspace. Peek previews are especially powerful inside databases. When you're inside a table, board, or calendar and you click on an item, it opens in a page preview by default. From here, you can edit properties, add notes, upload files, or make changes without switching away from your main view. If you want to turn this preview into a full page, just click Open as Full Page in the top right corner. This feature is helpful when you're working through tasks, reviewing notes, or organizing items. Instead of opening dozens of tabs or constantly hitting back and forth on your workspace, you can simply peek, make a quick edit, and close the preview to continue where you left off. It keeps your workflow focused and clutter-free. Another tip is that peek previews work great for referencing. If you're writing something and need to look at another page for details, just Shift plus click that page, check what you need, and close it. No need to interrupt your flow or rearrange your windows. It's quick, efficient, and keeps you from getting distracted inside too many full pages. Once you start using peek page previews regularly, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to navigate Notion, especially in large workspaces. It's one of those small features that doesn't seem like a big deal at first, but once you get used to it, you won't want to work without it. So take a few minutes to try it out, hover, shift-click, peek, and edit, and see how it instantly speeds up the way you move around your Notion workspace.